Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will share a YouTube video on Pinterest social media platform. Let me open youtube.com and on the top right corner, let me click here logo and then click on YouTube Studio. Now on the left side here you can see different options. Let me click here on content. Then these are all of the recent videos that I have uploaded. Now let me copy a video link. Here you can see this one, get shareable link. And then now let me open another Chrome user. Then type Pinterest. This one is the world popular social media platform that lets you get more views on your content. Simply you can create your account, and after logged in, here you can see this one plus button, click on create. So first of all you need to create a board, then you can easily create pins. Click here, then scroll down, click on save from URL. Then here you can add your website link, your YouTube video link, then click on this arrow, then scroll down. And here you can see this one is the thumbnail for this YouTube video. Then scroll down, add pin. Here you can add the title. Then click on save button. Here you can select different boards. Okay. Now we can see it. Okay, that's done. So this one is Pinterest personal account. You can also create your business account. Here you can see many of the professional YouTubers have Pinterest account to get more views and they can earn a lot of money.